Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga guro, lalo na yung mga guro dyan sa Kasigpitan National High School, Kasigpitan Talusan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Ito na po yung indicators para sa classroom observation ninyo sa fourth quarter na binigay ng PMS or Performance Management and Evaluation System for Teachers. So sa fourth quarter, meron po kayong 8 indicators. Itong objectives number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So lahat yan ay mga tinatawag nating COI or Classroom Observable Indicators. For objective number 1, apply knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. So lahat, hindi ko na pala kailangan i-discuss ito, no? Kasi na-discuss na ito sa inyong RPMS rollout during school-based rollout or district-based rollout sa RPMS. So ngayon, kahit nasa PMS na tayo or yung tinatawag na Performance Management and Evaluation System, meron pa rin tayong classroom observation demo. So itong indicators ha, 8 indicators lang po ang kailangan ninyong maipakita sa inyong CO. So for Indicator 1, apply knowledge of content within and across curriculum teaching areas. 3, ensure the positive use of ICT to facilitate the teaching and learning process. 4, use a range of teaching strategies that enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. 5, use effective verbal and non-verbal classroom communication strategies to support learner understanding, participation, engagement, and achievement. 6. Maintain supportive learning environments that nurture and inspire learners to participate, cooperate, and collaborate in continued learning. 7. Apply a range of successful strategies that maintain learning environments that motivate learners to work productively by assuming responsibility for their own learning. 8. Design, adapt, and implement teaching strategies that are responsive to learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents. 9. Plan and deliver teaching strategies that are responsive to the special needs of learners in different circumstances, including geographic isolation, chronic illness, and displacement due to the armed conflict, upon resettlement or disasters, child abuse, and child labor practices. Sorry po. So, meron pong 8 indicators. Pwede naman po na isang CO lang ang gawin ninyo or dalawang CO. Depende yan sa inyo. Dapat mag-agree kayo with your school head or principal. Pag dalawang CEO ang pipiliin ninyo, ang kailangan ninyong ipakita sa CO number 1 ay indicators number 1, 3, 4, 6, and 8. So, 5 indicators po yan. Sa CO2 naman, yung indicators 1, 4, 5, 7, and 9. So, another 5 indicators. Pero pag isang CO or full CO ang gawin ninyo, isang CO lamang po. So, lahat ng indicators na ito, itong 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, kailangan po ninyo maipakita sa inyong classroom demo, classroom observation demo. So, meron po tayong 8 COI at meron po tayong 6 na NCOI. Kita ko ha, yung NCOI. Alright, ito na po yung NCOI natin or Non-Classroom Observable Indicators. So, 6 po ito. Objective number 2, use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. Objective number 10, adapt and implement learning programs that ensure relevance and responsiveness to the needs of all learners. 11, maintain learning environments that are responsive to community context. In context. 12, review regularly personal teaching practice using existing laws and regulations that apply to the teaching profession and the responsibilities specified in the Code of Ethics for professional teachers. 13. Comply with and implement school policies and procedures consistently to foster harmonious relationships with learners and parents and other stakeholders. 14. Adopt practices that uphold the dignity of teaching as a profession by exhibiting qualities such as caring attitudes, respect, and integrity. So lahat ng mga NCUI ay pwede ninyong makuha yung mga MOVs ninyo from the very start ng klase. Mula first quarter, second, third, at saka fourth quarter. Pwede po yan. Maliban lang sa sa classroom observable indicators, yung 8 po ay kailangan sa demo lang po maipakita. So, may kailangan pa bang portfolio na gawin? So, wala na po. So, again, wala na po tayong portfolio na gawin. Pero, kailangan nyo lang po mag-present ng mga MOVs sa lahat ng indicators na yan para po sa raters. So, maigi, pag ilagay nyo na lang sa folder siguro, kahit hindi na siya naka-base na, at as long as naka-keep lang siya sa isang folder para hindi mawala. So, yun lang. At saka, before sa vacation, kailangan magawa nyo na yung ano ninyo. Ay, sorry. Kailangan may rating na kayo sa ano ninyo, sa IPCRF. So, good luck po. Maaga pa naman, may isang buwan pa tayo o mahigit sa 2 buwan pa kaya na pwede ninyong gawin ang classroom observation o yung demo. So, good luck po. Huwag nang patagalin pa kung kaya na ninyo within this month. Gawin na ninyo. Huwag na paabutin pa sa Marso. Good luck po at maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Again, magandang hapon po and belated Valentine's Day po.